Hi, what repairs can fix the P0420 code? Number one, replace the catalytic converter. That is very common. Number two, you replace muffler or repair the leaks in the muffler or the silencer. Number three is replace exhaust manifold or repair the leaks in exhaust manifold of the vehicle. Number four, replace exhaust pipe or repair the exhaust pipe leaks. Number five, replace the oxygen sensor. And number six, you replace engine coolant sensor. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please subscribe and God will bless you. Amen.